Yo boys, today we're going to talk about things that should be added in car parking multiplayer. Starting off with number 1, Lamborghinis. Back in the day, we had Lamborghinis and CPM. They were pretty fun to drive around and they decided to remove them for Android players because of some legal complications with Play Store and Lamborghini themselves. Although Lamborghinis were removed for Android devices, we can still see them and drive them if an iOS player is in the server, but unfortunately, they can't sell them to other players that aren't using an iPhone or iPad. Number 2, game optimization. I think we can all agree that nowadays, CPM is quite demanding. You need a high-end expensive phone with heavy specs, just for a decent experience on Android. And even then, the device will still probably heat up after a few minutes of playing the game on high graphics.
Right to jail.
Back then, CPM could probably run on a Nokia 3310, and these days it feels like the game is purely made for iOS devices. Since the graphics look a lot better and the game runs a lot smoother compared to Android devices. In the long run, I think this will lead to a lot of players losing interest and leaving the game for good. Number 3, new character models. CPM is made by a pretty big company and has had a lot of updates during the years, with some big changes to the cars, map, and features. However, the game has been using the same character models for years now, and quite frankly, they are trash. You can't even separate the eyebrows from the forehead. They look like they were drawn by a 4-year-old with crayons, and the clothes look like cupboard. In the mobile gaming space, we've seen games made by smaller companies have better character models and clothes. For example, Avakin Life, Drive Zone Online, Grand Criminal Online, and the list goes on. Number 4, AI cars and multiplayer. Listen, if you just play car parking to drift around and chill with friends, then you can agree with me on this one. The game gets pretty boring after playing for a few hours. We need AI cars, or at least a certain part of the map have AI cars, so we could race and cut through traffic with our buddies, just like in Assetto Corsa. Number 5, house abilities. The houses in CPM are great, but if we're being honest, they're useless. I think the developers should add a feature to change clothes and change cars at our homes without leaving the room. Number 6, convertible cars. On the last update, the devs added a convertible car with animations and it looks pretty sick. I think they should add this feature on more cars like the Toyota Supra MK4 and BMW M4 competition, or at least add an option to remove the roof on the Bodykits section like on the Rolls-Royce. Let me know in the comments section what features and cars you guys think should be added in car parking multiplayer. And if you've made it to the end of the video, comment W so I know who the real channel supporters are.
W's in the shot.